please subscribe and click the bell icon because I need one subscriber, and like the video and comment if you have any question, and download Telegram app and search Mr. MrWip, search MrWip and click here on the picture, and you have every question your problem will solve here. Okay, thanks. Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to add and use multiple account on single Twitter, okay, on your Twitter account. So for this purpose, please, if you have any question, just search MrWip on Twitter, MrWip official, okay, just search here Mr. MrWip official, MrWip official. Then my channel will come to you and my profile. You have to follow this, okay. And now for this purpose, if you want to add many profile, what can you do? And just open your Twitter, and after open the Twitter, just click on the three dot button, create new account, add existing account. Just click on the add existing account, okay. When you just click here, add existing account, okay, just go and add existing account. After this option, you have to open, you have to enter your accounts information, everything. After these the two accounts will open, will be using or your mobile, okay. This is the best option. When you click here, this another account will come to you and you can use both of them. If this video help, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel to complete 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.